Manchester United new boy Antony has talked about his tattoos during an interview with club media. The Brazilian has a finery of body art which has caught the eye of a number of Reds supporters since he made the summer switch from Ajax. There is a picture of a lion on his arm, although he has pointed out previously his goal celebration seen following his debut strike against Arsenal is actually mimicking a tiger. The inkings clearly have a personal meaning to the right winger. What's the reason behind Antony's tattoos? According to Antony, he said, "I've got this one together with my brother, which says, only those from the same place know what I've been through." He told us recently. This one on my neck is a chain pendant and the full sleeve has meaning. When asked if he planned to have more in the future, he replied, "Yes, I would like to get some more. I don't know what yet. I have got my Olympic medal on my thigh as well. I will get more, though I'm not sure of what yet, but there will be a few more." Antony won the medal during the 2020 Summer Olympics when appearing for Brazil's under-23 side. The South Americans beat Spain 2-1 in the final in Yokohama. Antony replayed 112 minutes before being withdrawn for Vinicius Jr. of Real Madrid.
Slow tempo, I think, quite suiting.
Now, what is so special, or what's the meaning of the tattoo on the neck? The tattoo on the neck of Antony means, first of all, it is written Iluminado. It's a Portuguese language which in English means illuminated, and to illuminate is to enlighten. Thanks, and this is all about the meaning of the tattoo on the neck of Antony. Bye.
Come dance la kubu kubu, I'm so Uganda kubu.